Teddy, did you get an owie when you went out running yesterday? Because you took off when you're not supposed to? And you run like crazy and hurt your paws? Huh, Teddy? Teddy? Tippy? Did that happen to you too? Were you a bad girl? I can't see you when you get that close. Stay right there. Say hi, Tippy. Say hi. See, I'm the happiest dog ever born. Huh? Tippy, you can't get on top of me. Teddy, I'm talking to you though. Did you hurt your feet, Teddy? Hello? Teddy? 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 Hello, Teddy? Are you ignoring me? Yeah, I never ignore you, Mom. I never ignore you, Mom. I never ignore you, Mom. I'm a good girl. See how pretty I sit? See how pretty I sit? Are you a good girl, Tippy? Are you a happy girl? Are you a happy girl? How happy are you? Oh, you're very happy? How happy? Oh, very happy. Very happy. Very happy. Oh, she's so happy. Oh, it's a happy girl. Oh, yes, it's a pretty girl. Oh, yes, she's pretty. See how pretty I sit, Mom? See how pretty I sit? How pretty you sit? Are you a pretty girl? Tippy. Are you a pretty girl? Oh, yes, we know. Are you a pretty girl? Tippy. Tippy. And there's the teddy bear. Teddy. Am I bugging you? Am I bugging you? A lot of lipping and yawning you're doing. You guys both are in serious need of a haircut. We got Bob Marley over here. I should have named him Bob. Teddy, you sure do look relaxed. Tippy. Tippy. You tired? What is this? Teddy is a statue. The statue of Teddy. Teddy, want to go bye-bye? Teddy, do you want to go bye-bye? Oh, heck yeah. Do you want to go? He says, okay, I'm ready, Mom. I'm ready. Are you ready to go bye-bye? Tippy, are you ready to go bye-bye too, Tip? Are you ready to go bye-bye too? Oh, no jumping up. I'm in the process of grooming them, and I only get like parts of them done. So yeah, Teddy looks like a disaster. Half of his body's shaved, half of his neck, half of his legs. Obviously I'm not a groomer, but I can't afford to get them all done at $60 a pop or $70 a pop. I mean, I could, but I'd rather not. I'd rather do it myself. Look at this hairdo. He's got the best head. Okay, that's enough. We've had enough of you guys. But we love you. Yes, we do. We love you. See, my name is Tippy. I'm a tip monster. I'm the happiest dog ever born. Tippy. 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 Hi. Oh, hi. You hear the puppies? You hear the puppies? We'll go see the puppies. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye.